My before is 30.5 inches.
Welcome to my channel. This is A Day with Destiny. Thank you so much for being here. On this channel, I post hauls, vlogs, and also unboxing videos. Today is an unboxing video slash vlog. Let's just get straight to it because this is kind of a mix of both. This is a very interesting and informative video, and I'm excited to use this. So today I have a collaboration with myChway. This is a unisession 5-in-1 ultrasonic cavitation machine, multifunctional body facial care tool for home use. Check it out on their website, you guys, and also they did give me a discount code, so I will link that below along with all of the links in case you want to get straight to this product. I tell them that I needed at least a few weeks to a month before I could show before and after results and before finishing this video for them, because I feel like with the timing of the sessions, I feel like that's going to give me enough time to show you an accurate result. Okay, you guys? So let's see the machine. This is the machine here. I did put it all together already. You literally just screw these in and then plug all of the parts in and you're good to go. I'm going to plug it in a little bit and I will show you all of the features on the front as well. Please make sure that you check out your manual because it does come with a manual and that will go over everything. I don't know if you guys have heard of body cavitation before, but I have. Usually they have them in spas. They'll have like the bigger machines. This is a home machine, so it's perfect for home use. But these sessions can cost hundreds and hundreds of dollars. This is a great price for this one. Again, see the link below. Also, you get to be in the privacy of your own home and use it as often as you would like. Of course, go over in your manual what it says as far as timing your sessions out. I do think it's 3 days in between, so I'm definitely gonna do that. There's so many benefits, like I said. So firmer skin, smoother skin, nourishing skin, anti-aging, fine lines, whatever you have problem areas with. Me, I'm gonna focus on my stomach because I would like to see tightening there, you guys, and if I could lose a couple of inches of fat, I would be so happy with that. I am eating healthy. I do eat pretty clean. Of course, we all have our cheat days, and I am working out consistently, you guys. I'm doing weights and I'm also doing cardio. But you all know I say it all the time on my videos, I need to lose these last 5 to 10 pounds. I could do 15, but I'm not sure. I don't want to lose all my curves. But you know, I feel like there's areas that I need tightening on and I need help with, so this is going to be perfect. And of course, I do suggest to you all as well a healthy lifestyle along with using this machine. This is just going to be an add-on. How does cavitation work? So it says right here, I want to be specific and read to you exactly what this says, you guys, just so that you can know. Okay, so it says here, cells will burst instantly so as to achieve the effect of fat removal. With the help of this machine, they're going to burst, and then they will spread out evenly and all the toxins will get out of our body. Shaping your waist and abdomen. That's what we're working on, okay? So it says the effects: dissolve excessive fat on waist and abdomen, reduced fat on waist, such as love handles, blast fat cells, and help boost metabolism. That's what I need. Reduce lumbar and abdominal fat caused by sitting. I do edit and sit a lot. How long do these sessions take? They take about 30 minutes. This is good to know. It does say, somebody asked this question, will I experience a rebound after operation? So it says, because what's dissolved through RF treatment is fat and not water, the formation of fat needs a longer period of time to accumulate, so it is not prone to rebound. So I think if you do this consistently the right way, like I'm gonna do it, with the sessions, with doing it, you know, every few days, with drinking your water, healthy lifestyle, it should work, it should tighten, and it should stay away. Another question that I might have and y'all might have is how long before you start seeing results? This says right here, under normal circumstances, within a day or a week. Skin collagen tissue is heated and produces contractions, and you can obviously feel skin tightening. That's exactly what I need. Because RF works by stimulating tissue and bringing along collagen regeneration, so the more you do it, the more visible your effects will be. That's all I need to know. I'm ready. So I'm gonna focus on my abdomen, my stomach, like I said. It does say here 15 minutes 2 to 3 times a week. I can handle that. And it goes over everything that you need to do to prepare yourself, you guys, in detail.
My before is 30.5 inches.
Okay, so I did set it up right here on my little vanity. This is like the perfect spot because I can look at my mirror. And then I'm just gonna turn this on really quick. Okay, so here's the timing. I'm gonna go down to 15. Here are all the different tools, you guys, that are on top here. So this is for your face. You've got eye, you've got face. This is going to be lifting. It'll take care of your dark circles, anti-aging, tightening, all good stuff right here, you guys. And then this is for the body. These three are for the body. And once we push play or start, the timer will start. Okay, so let's push it. Put our energy on 2, warming up, and it's getting ready to go.
Here's the pamphlet that they give you. I love that it shows what you're supposed to be doing on each body part, so I just kind of use this as a guide. You have to use a water-based gel. Don't use an oil. This is the one that they sent me, so I'm just going to put it right on my stomach, the area that I'm about to use the tools on.
So first we're going to start with the 40K. We are going to do this for 10 minutes. I'm going to give me some abs here. Like I said, I am doing everything that I'm supposed to be doing on my end. I just feel like I need skin tightening and some help. So I'll see y'all in 10 minutes. Now we're using the vacuum again, just pulling out because I want all my fat out of my body. I am on level 3 and I'm on mode 3 because this tolerates really nicely. It's warm, but it doesn't hurt. It's not suctioning too hard or anything. The other side. And again, see you in 10 minutes. We're done with the suction. Make sure that you clean it all off every single time. I'm just wiping it off right now, but I am going to get baby wipes and clean it off afterwards. Okay, next. So this is going to be my favorite one, you guys. The tightening, yes. Give it all to me. This is what I need. Okay, so let's turn the tightening one on. We're going to do 10 minutes again. And then we're going to, we got to change the mode. We got to change the function to body RF. 10 minutes. Start. Let's go to level 3. Oh shit. We have to gel myself. Make sure that you use a water-based gel also. They sent me this one. Just make sure that you use that. You can't use oil. Rub it all on. Fat be gone. Okay, so this is level 3. I'm tolerating this really well. It's not too warm or anything for me. I do feel like already pumping it up a little bit. Let's go to 4. Let's go to 5. See, I'm already first session tolerating 5. But of course, start at your own pace. I just really want to see results, so being a little bit bold here. You can also do this in a circular motion. So what this is going to do is it's going to help collagen and it's also going to tighten you. So the fat's been broken up already. Then we had it suctioned to get all the lymphatic drainage out of your body and also get all those toxins out. And this is going to help stimulate the collagen and also with the skin tightening, which obviously is exactly what I need. So like I said, I'm eating right, eating more clean, eating more healthy. I'm also working out consistently. This is just going to be the icing on the cake, you guys, because I do need skin tightening. And I do, like all of us, have problem areas. And this will help. And what I love about this also is that you can do these sessions in the privacy of your own home. You can do them every few days. You can see your results. And also it doesn't cost as much as a salon because per session can add up. When you go to a salon, you know, it takes you multiple sessions to see results. So if you buy this machine one time and it works, then that would be amazing, right? So I'm looking forward to that. I'm doing everything right by the books. So in a month, in more sessions, I'm hoping that I'm going to see results. Again, this is my very first session. So if you follow along with me, you will be able to see the before and after at the end of this video. And that's it for session 1. See you for session 2 later.
We are back for session 2. I am putting on the gel right now. This is water-based gel. Make sure that you use that. We're going to get right to it, you guys. So I'm first going to use the 40K again. Again, this is going to break up the fat. I like doing it in an outer motion to pull all my toxins out. And I also like doing circles as well. So I kind of switch it up. This will be a 10-minute session and then I'll go on to the next tool. I am already up to level 4. I was able to tolerate it nicely. I did start at 1, now I'm up to 4. You will see a little bit of redness, but that's normal. I mean, this is heat on you. So just go with what you can tolerate, but it's actually a pretty nice massaging feeling. Let's put some more gel on. And now we're using our body RF. As you can see, it's heating up. And let's just go in a roundabout motion and pulling out. I'm not going to bore you guys and talk through each session because we do have about 12 sessions to go. But in the beginning, of course, I wanted to let you know repeatedly what these tools are for and also what it's doing to your skin. So now I think you got the gist of it. Let's keep at it. See you in 10 minutes. And now we're moving on. I already put my gel on, of course. Make sure for this one that you use lots of gel because you don't want to get suctioned too hard. You don't want to get pinched. We're using the suction now all over our body, again, pulling out the toxins. We're going to do this for another 10 minutes. See you in 10. I'm almost done with this session. Now I am getting very comfortable with these tools, so I am going up as I go on with sessions, going up on heat. I'm going up on suction. I'm going up on the nodule up top. I'm going up on the power. Again, you are seeing some redness, but that's normal. Just staying consistent. We'll see what happens. I'll see you for the next session. Okay, so we now are on session 10. I have been going somewhat consistent, you guys. I've been doing this every 3 to 4 days, but sometimes life gets in the way. So, it'll be like every 4th or 5th day. As far as my eating, it's been pretty good, but I did binge yesterday. My sister was in town for the weekend, so I did kind of go crazy on food. But other than that, I've been trying to keep as consistent as I can. Again, I'm on session 10. I didn't want to go through all of the sessions with you because obviously they've all been the same. I have been going up on levels, so they've been, a little bit different in that sense. But other than that, I've been keeping pretty consistent with the way that I use the machine and the minutes. Starting with the 40K again, 10 minutes. Now the body RF, 10 minutes, level 4. Now I'm using the vacuum and RF. I am still on level 4, it goes up to level 9, and I'm still on vacuum mode M1, you guys, it goes up to M5, but I just want to do what I feel comfortable with. I'm not in a rush with this. I've been doing consistently every 3 to 4 days. I'm only on session 10. Says it takes to about 12 to where you see results. You are supposed to do this for months on out until you get your desired results. So, I'm just showing you what I've been doing, and I am seeing a difference. I'm feeling a difference in the tightness. I'm seeing a difference, you guys, and I will be measuring myself next video. So here's my update. Like I said, I'm on session 10. And I've been being consistent with my working out, with my eating, and also with using this every 3 to 4 days. The best time is the rest time in between the sessions, you guys. That's when I feel like you can kind of see a little bit more of a difference also in between your rest time. I could be working out a little bit harder. And like I said, I went crazy this weekend when my sister came into town on sugar and food. So I could tighten up on that as well, but it all helps. So I'll see you next video for the measurements. Let's measure, you guys. I am now at 29. This is 29 exactly. So this would be 30.5. So this is how much I lost. So I did lose 1.5 inches. This is how much I lost. I'm right on my belly button too. I wanted to do the same measurements as the other one. So I lost 1.5 inches. Damn, that actually looks like a lot now that I'm pulling it apart, pulling it away. Ooh, and from the side. So I think with more sessions, if I keep this up, you guys, I can lose even more. So I'm loving the results. It's definitely showing. I definitely feel tighter. I would say that I definitely look tighter. I'm snatched. So I'm just gonna keep going. I definitely feel like my waist is getting tighter for sure. I wasn't sucking in at all either. This is just my night clothes, you guys. I'm sorry, I'm so random in this video. But I didn't plan, any outfits or anything. I really want to get just the real results. So yeah, so if I keep going with more sessions, I have a feeling that it's just going to be amazing. So yeah, so this is definitely worth it for sure. Get yours, you guys. I love it. But I'm going to keep going. Who knows what's going to happen months on out. So I'm excited about this. I'm about to go tan outside. I did want to do my measurements one more time. I'm 29, you guys, and I just had breakfast. So, it's just measuring again, just to remeasure. But yeah, I definitely, like I said, see tightening. It's not as loose. And I'm just feeling a whole lot better. I just can't wait till I keep doing this process to see what's going to happen monthly. But yeah, I'm definitely noticing a difference with the tightening, which is exactly what I wanted. And as I lose inches, it's hard to tell, I think, just by looking from the before and after, but the measurements really do, show that, hey, within only a few sessions, I've lost 1.5 inches, and that definitely makes a lot of difference. So I'm gonna keep being consistent with this, and also with my eating and working out, and I can't wait to see the end results even later.
Thank you all so much for watching. What'd you think about this video? You know that I love to hear from you all in the comments, so comment below. What do you think about this machine? Do you think the results were good? Let me know, you guys. I would love to hear from you all if you've heard of this machine, or what do you think? I post weekly, so I'll see you next week. Bye!